How to make steamed minced veggie natto by Natto Kin. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai diet and Ikigai biohacking. Alright, so today I'd like to share with you another natto recipe, and that is steamed minced veggie natto. Right, okay, so how to do it? You need whole bunch of minced vegetables. Yeah, again, the idea is to include as many different kinds of fiber as possible. In the last video, I shared with you how to make a fiber-rich natto salad. Yeah, so shiitake mushroom here, and then garlic, ginger, and then carrots and cauliflower and broccoli, onions, and Japanese mustard spinach. Yeah, and then I use sesame seeds and hemp seeds. Right. Also, you need olive oil and soy sauce, and then some kind of dashi. This one is kind of a organic miso based dashi, but any kind of dashi is okay, the one that you have. The type of vegetable you use don't matter. I mean, you can choose any kind of vegetables. You know, find vegetables that are in season, that are sold at stores now, and then just try to include as many different kinds of vegetables as possible, but not too many. Just, you know, 8 or 7 is enough. Right? Yeah. Okay. And then what you do is you want to steam them. Yeah. So I turn the gas on, and then so you put maybe a little bit of water here, and then you put strainer, yeah, on top. Yeah. Yeah, you don't want to put too much water because you want to drink the soup as well. So, you know, you put enough water, you put water for you to be able to make a soup. Yeah, so depending on how many people are, you know, eating the food, you use a different amount of water, right? And then you just wait for a water to come to a boil. And yeah, but actually you can already put some vegetables here, because by the time you finish putting all the vegetables, the water will be boiled anyway. So I'm gonna do that. Some garlic. Some ginger. Carrots. Cauliflowers. Broccoli. Onions. Japanese mustard spinach. And shiitake mushrooms. See, now the water is boiled. And then you put the lid on, and then just steam the veggie for, just for, 3 to 5 minutes. That's enough. Yeah. And then when the vegetable is steamed, you put like oil and soy sauce and different things. And then of course you put natto. Yeah. I'll be using my homemade natto, but if you don't have one, you can use a packaged natto. Yeah. And when you use a packaged natto, for each person, you can put one pack of natto for one person. So if you are eating it with 3 people, then you can put 3 packs. Yeah. And then actually, one pack is about 50 grams, and that is the good amount to eat every day. So eat 50 grams of natto every day, but not more than 50 grams. Yeah. And I am eating this natto for lunch today, but usually I have natto for dinner in the evening. Yeah, this is because an enzyme called Nattokinaze in natto works best between 10 to 12 hours after eating, and you want it to work during your sleep. Yeah, Nattokinaze helps your blood flow. Yeah, and you want it to work during your sleep. Yeah, but today is an exception because I'm just coming out of my 24 hours fast. I usually fast 24 hours between Monday lunch and Tuesday lunch. Yeah, and then natto is a perfect food to break your fast. Yeah, and other days I do just 17 hours of fast. So I don't have to, eat natto every lunchtime to break my fast. But after coming out of the 24 hours fast, I'd like to eat natto. Right. All right, so it looks like it is ready now. So I just turn the gas off. Right. And then I put the steamed minced veggie into another bowl. All right. And then I pour some olive oil and then little bit of dashi, and I put mix the natto and then put some natto here, and then mix them with the vegetables. Then I add some soy sauce. Again, it doesn't matter so much the order of, putting all those seasonings. And then you want to put hemp seeds and sesame seeds. Right, so that's how it looks like. Yeah, so that is how to make steamed minced veggie natto. Now, you can stir fry minced veggie as well. Yeah, stir fried minced veggie natto is also good. Yeah. Now, I usually prefer steaming or boiling to stir frying or frying. Yeah, I think they are better cooking method, but occasionally you can stir fry vegetables too. So you don't need to be too neurotic about it. Yeah. So today I showed you how to make steamed one, but you can also make a stir fry minced veggie natto. And in fact, as far as taste is concerned, probably stir fried minced veggie natto is better. Yeah. So if you want to prioritize the taste, go ahead and make stir fried one. But if you want to prioritize the cooking method, then do try steaming. Right. All right. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya, the author of the Ikigai Diet and Ikigai Biohacking. Now, I told you that I am coming out of my 24 hours fast, and I do 17 hours fast and so on. So why I do this, please read this book, Ikigai Biohacking. There's a section called Hare and Care Intermittent Fasting, and I explain why it is important to do 24 hours fast once a week, and the rest is 17 hours fast and so on. Yeah, and also if you want to know the basic of cooking or what to eat, how to eat, please read the Ikigai Diet. Yeah, because I talked about fiber-rich food, and there are many other concepts such as Magoa Yasashi. Magoa Yasashi is fantastic to choose a wide variety of fiber-rich ingredient. Yeah, so if you read the Ikigai Diet, you have the basic knowledge, and that can be applied into any kind of cooking, any kind of dishes. So please read the book. Right. Okay, and if you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'm giving a webinar on May 16, 10 a.m. Japan time, which is May 15, Wednesday evening in North America. Yeah, the details are my website, ikigaidiet.com. I put the link below. Right. All right, so I'll see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai.